You're welcome to my channel. This is Shining Folake. Hi everyone, you're welcome to my channel. Today I want to show us how I was able to do this lovely bead. And you see, I'm having videos sand bead. I'm having video sand bead of different colors and different shape with crystal bead. I will be reading this. Can you see? So lovely. So lovely. It goes with any material. So I have so many different beads here today. Sand bead, crystal bead. I'm using it for this program. Thank you for staying tuned. So for us to achieve this design, can you see so lovely? You can call it a Zulu bead for South Africa people. They call it Zulu bead, Zulu necklace. So let us quickly see how I was able to achieve this beautiful bead, this beautiful necklace. So you take your fish line. I'm using 0.3. I'm using 0.3. My needle, you cut a reasonable length. Then I have so many different colors of crystal bead here. So you start from your sand bead. You pick one sand bead, one crystal bead. You pick another sand bead. You pick different colors because we are to achieve different. I want to achieve different. I want to use various color for it. So I'm putting four sand bead, 4 crystal bead, or glass bead, or any other bead you want to use. This is Zulu bead. You can wear it on any color. It's good for any outfit, for any outing. And you see, 4 sand bead and all. Okay, I need 4. This one is 5. I'm removing that one. So let me remove this. So after you tie, I'm going to tie it together. I'm tying it together. You can use 3, 3. You can use 4, 4, 5, 5. So this is the one I use 3. 1, 2, 3. This one is 4. Can you see the difference? 4 is bigger than 3. This one is 3. I'm using this one for necklace. So this is what one of my clients wanted online. She's from South Africa. She booked this one online. So I'm happy. I'm happy to do it for her. So can you see? We start with 4. And if she wants it to be, if you have a client that wants it to be bigger than this, you can make it 5, 6. But this one is 4. So after that, you neatly turn it like this. You put your needle to the back of this one, pull it out. Can you see? So I'll pick this one. Then I will now pick any color. 6 of it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You pick 6 of each color. Then you now go through. After picking 6, you are using the sand bead. Can you see? I pick the sand bead. Then you now pull out. I'm using blue. So I have to use blue around this. I'm using blue. 6 of it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is 6. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is another 6. Then we now go through this sand bead. You pull it out. Then you pick another 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, let me remove this gold. This is 4, 5, 6. So now go through the gold. Can you see? So I'm picking 3 of this blue. I'm picking 3 to the center. You see, I come out. Then you now come out, bring your needle out from the center of it. Then you now take any crystal you want to use. You are using 4. So you can pick any different color, doesn't matter. What matter is this round one will be the same. So I will pick in this color when you pick it. So now go through this like this. You pick any one. After going around, you pull it together. Can you see? For it to be tighter, you go through this crystal bead again. Pull it out. This thing has stuck here. So you have to click through this, please. You see? Three. Don't forget I took 7, so I'll pass through this is the 4th one. Before I start picking my crystal bead round, I'm using the 4th. So this one is 6. Yeah. To tighten it very firm. So this is how you are going to be doing it. See, when you get to the length that you desire, you continue doing it. You want it to be firm, you have to pass through this needle, the foundation of the one that you are going to do. You have to pass through it again. So you tighten it like this. Tighten like this. So you continue. You see. So let's use green for now. Let's use green. So this is it. So you now pick your crystal bead. You pick any color. You now go around. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do like, give it a thumbs up. If you like what you are doing, kindly encourage me. So you pick it round. You can use any color. The needle just broke now. I will use it to finish this one before I change. So this is how I made this lovely bead. Can you see? In my next video, I will be showing you how I will do the earring and fix the hook. Thank you for viewing. So lovely. You can do your own. And let me see. You can drop the picture. When you do your own, let me see the picture. You can drop it on the link. Thank you for watching.